Welcome back to our channel, as well as I have some good news for you. One, your girl is a Slade Beauty PR representative and brand ambassador. And we have a great thing for everybody who's trying to get seen out there in the beauty industry when it comes to your makeup, your products, your YouTube channel, your Facebook. If you just want to get noticed, Slade Beauty Cosmetics has what's known as a membership. You can pay $25, and there's a lot that comes with your membership. When I say a lot, it's like too much to remember. So if you see me look down, yes, I'm reading it. So what? Anyhow, it is for your benefit. These are some requirements. You must have a beauty page or channel on social media, Facebook or YouTube. And Instagram. Of course, everybody knows that. You be willing to create makeup videos using the products and submit a company YouTube channel release form. So you have to sign up on it to say, hey, yeah, you can use me. Promotion, what have you. You also get... When you do that, you also get a 35% off of your own personal purchases. So anything that's on the site that you want, you get 35% off. It does help you to increase your membership subscribers to your YouTube channel, your Facebook, your Instagram, just stuff that just basically get you noticed, period. If you're trying to bust out in the industry like your girl was when I got noticed, then these are the people you need to look to, as well as just... you know, pushing, focusing, being consistent, getting yourself out there. You also get access to all new products before they're released to the public at a low price. You also get free products, free gifts, pictures of your best looks on their social media, and they are heavily followed on Instagram, Facebook, XYZ, you know how that goes. You get a 7-day YouTube video advertising. Again, the membership fee is only $25. You spend more than that on fast food and miscellaneous stuff throughout the week. So why not spend that $25 to, like, boost what you love? You're paying money to boost somebody else's fashion. Spend that money to boost yours. Like, it's really not that hard. And the highlighter that I have on is part of their product. It came out of this palette. So pretty. I'm going to show you the palette. It's the Slade Sister Highlight Palette. These are the colors in the Slade Sister Palette. See? I use this one right here. That's what you see highlighted on my face. It is a processing fee. It's $25. And just to show how serious you are about getting your name out there. Like, if this is your passion, if this is what you want to do, why not invest in you? It's $25. One-time fee. You're not paying it every month. You're not spending it over time. It's one time. You spend that on makeup, fast food, getting in the club, even though it may be free for $4.11. You spend $25 on drinks. We know this. You spend $25 for parking. You spend $10 for parking. Shoot, I live in Atlanta. That $25 goes real quick. Okay. So again, you can get all of these benefits for $25. Tell me what's hot about it. Okay. But anyway, if you go to www.slayyedcosmetics.com, do your membership, and get on board. It's not that hard. It's very easy. Invest in you. It's 2019. It's time for you. Hello. You. In the dark and in the light. Y'all trying to hide in it for us in the light. You need to do this for you. But again, and guess what? You can even use my code to get a discount off your membership. So it's not even $25. Come on, do this, okay? But again, don't forget to hit the notification bell, the subscription button, the share button, and comment on this video as well as Slade Beauty's YouTube channel, which will be linked right there. Okay? So you have no issue. You don't have to search for it, look for it, what have you. It's right here. So we got you. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye, guys.